Hello, dear students. Today I'll be discussing on the nomenclature of amines. Now, in the nomenclature of amines, we have two types of nomenclature. The first is the common name. And the second will be your IUPAC name, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Now, amines, we have the general amines. RNH2, this is a primary amine. Now, the classification, let us do first for primary amines. Primary amines, we have here a primary amine where one hydrogen is replaced by an alkyl group. The common name for this is known as alkyl amine. And the IUPAC name will be ALKAN. Alkan. Aln means since this is a single bond, this is single bond saturated hydrocarbon, therefore it will be alkane. The E will be the alkane. In alkane, the E will be replaced by AMINE. Alkane amine. Now this is the replacement of E by amine molecule. Now, for example, let us do an example here. CH3 and H2. Now, CH3, one carbon atom is a methane, so therefore it will be methyl amine. And the IUPAC name for this compound will be known as METHAN. The E will be replaced by methana amine. Now, the same goes for aryl amine. Aryl amine. This is commonly known. This is benzene ring. NH2. Then it is aniline. And also, the common name for this compound goes the same for its IUPAC name. IUPAC name can also be written as aniline or benzene amine. It will be the same for the common name for an aromatic amine will be the same, aniline, or the IUPAC name can be made benzene amine. Now let us do for secondary amines. Now this is a secondary amine. Now in secondary amine there are two types. Secondary amines are of two types: simple amines and then mixed amines. I have already discussed about this in the first video. Now let me explain it again. Now in simple amine we have RNHR. In simple amines, it means that the two alkyl groups are the same. Okay, simple amines, it means that the two alkyl groups are the same. For example, we have here CH3 NH CH3. Okay, clear? In simple amines, it means that the two RH group are the same, whereas in mixed amines, the alkyl groups are different. For example, we have here CH3 NH C2 H5. Okay, this is two carbon, one carbon. So the two alkyl groups are different. Now the simple amines. For this example, we have the common name. The common name is known as. Now the two alkyl groups. Now say this is a methyl group. The two methyl groups are attached to carbon atom. In organic chemistry, this is very important. The two alkyl groups are attached to nitrogen atom. Therefore, we write it as N. Since two methyl group, dimethyl amine. Okay, and then the IUPAC name will be the same. Since the alkyl groups are attached to the nitrogen atom and alkyl, you choose here since the two alkyl groups are different, any one can be the main carbon atom. This can be main, if we take this as the main carbon atom, and this is the substituent group. Now the main group, the main chain is N methyl methane amine. Sorry, here the E will be replaced. METHN, methane amine. Methane and methyl methane amine. Okay, now let's do it. For this example, the command name will be, commonly it will be known as N. Now one important point to keep in mind is that the bigger chain will be the main group. That will be the main group chain, and then the smaller chain will be the substituent. Keep that in mind. The bigger chain will be the main group chain, and then small chain will be the substituent. Therefore, now this we have here N ethyl. We have here the main. We will be writing the main chain first. Meet it. So two carbon atom. N ethyl, and this is methyl amine. Make sure, please keep in mind that this is the bigger chain. The longest and the biggest chain will be considered as the main group chain, and the smallest chain will be considered as a substituent. And while writing the command name, you will be writing the bigger chain, the main group chain first, and then the substituent in the second group, and arrange it alphabetically. Since E comes first, then M, E will be written here. Now its IUPAC name will be N methyl ethana amine. Okay, there's one point that I miss here. In command names, all the groups will be taken as substituents. Okay, no main chain or big chain. In command name, while doing the command name, all the groups will be taken as substituents, and the substituents will be arranged alphabetically. Since E comes first, E comes first in the alphabet. Therefore, E will be written first. However, in IUPAC name, the bigger chain will be considered as the main group, and then the smaller chain will be considered as a substituent. Now let us move to tertiary amines. Tertiary amines, the same rules are applied as the same in secondary amines. Here, all the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl groups. Now, for example, let us see here. Now, the command name will be, since the three alkyl methyl groups are attached to nitrogen atom, N 3 means trimethyl amine. And then the IUPAC name will be, now here two groups will be taken as substituents, and then the one group will be taken as the main carbon atom. Therefore, the name will be N di, the two groups, dimethyl methane. E will be replaced by amine. Two groups will be taken as substituent, and one group as the main chain. Therefore, the IUPAC name will be NN di, two methyl groups. There are dimethyl methane, methane amine. Now let us do some examples. C2H5 and CH2 CH2 CH3 C2H5. Now firstly let us check the command name. There are two ethyl groups. We take as the two groups, we take it as the substituent, and then let's consider this as the main carbon chain, the longest parent chain. N di, two carbon atom, the ethyl. Again we have N, meet it prop, they are propane, therefore it will be propyl amine. And the IUPAC name will be N di ethyl propane, therefore BROPAN. The E will be replaced by amine. Now the second example, NH2 CH2 CH2. Now in this example we have here, this is an example of an allyl group. This is an allyl group, therefore the command name will be allyl amine, and then the IUPAC name will be meet it prop, three carbon atoms, or PROP prop. Now we have here a double bond and an unsaturated carbon atom, therefore now if we consider the naming here, 1 2 3. Now the carbon atom, the double bond is with the second carbon atom, therefore 2 in prop 2 in. The amine molecule is with the first carbon, therefore 1 amine. Allyl group, the command name therefore will be allyl amine. In the command name, meet it propane. It's a propane molecule, but there is an unsaturated there. It is unsaturated hydrocarbon, therefore since the double bond comes with carbon number 2, therefore will be prop 2 in, and then the amine group is attached with carbon number 1, therefore 1 amine. Now the third example, NH2 CH2 6 times, and then NH2. Now CH2 6 times means hexane, 6 carbon atoms, C6. Therefore now the command name will be hexa 6 carbon atom, therefore hexa methylene. Now CH2, the group CH2 is known as methylene, therefore hexa 6 carbon atom methylene. There are 6 methylene groups, methylene 2 amine molecules, therefore diamine. And the IUPAC name will be hexane. Now if we arrange all the carbon atoms here, one carbon atom would be here, the 6 carbon atom would be here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 carbon. Therefore the 2 amine molecules are attached to 1 and 6 carbon atom, therefore it will hexane 1 6 diamine. Now let us check for aromatic amines. We have here aromatic amines, NH2. This is the simplest of all the aromatic. This compound is known as aniline. aniline or benzanamine. Therefore, now if this aniline is substituted Br, now the common name for this will be, this is the ortho position, ortho, meta, and the para position. Therefore, this will be para bromo aniline. And then the IUPAC name. In IUPAC name, we don't use ortho, meta, para, but we use the numerals 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the bromo group, bromine is in the 4th carbon atom. Therefore, it will be the IUPAC name 4 bromo. Since in the IUPAC name aniline is also used, we can write aniline. Okay, one more aromatic amines we have here. NCH3 2. Now the common name will be N. These two methyl groups, that means CH3 and CH3. Now the two methyl groups, they are attached to the nitrogen atom, so N dimethyl aniline. IUPAC name would be the same as the common name, or you can write in the IUPAC name, you can write NN dimethyl benzene amine, or you can, instead of benzene amine, you can write aniline. It's the same. Another example we have here, NH2 CH3. Now this molecule CH3, this is commonly known as the toluene. Therefore, the common name for this molecule would be toluidine. Okay, and then the IUPAC name would be common name 1 and 2. Therefore, 2 methyl aniline. This is an aniline group, therefore 2 methyl aniline. This will be all for the nomenclature of amines, but I request all the students to please keep on practicing the nomenclature of amines with further examples from the textbook. Thank you.